Good. Oh, yeah. Nice. Great. Yep, nice. At some point we should probably discuss the rule of thirds, but otherwise these, oh, wow.
Okay, as you look at the following pictures, tell me if you like A or B. Here's A, and here's B. Here's A, and here's photo B. Once again, A, photo A, the next photo B. Last one, photo A, and then photo B. Okay, all of those that were B use the rule of thirds. So let's now ask the question, what is the rule of thirds? In photography, the rule of thirds is a composition type of thing in which a photo or a video is divided evenly into thirds, horizontally and vertically. Then with the imaginary 3x3 grid of 9 segments, they are formed by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. And the image's subject is positioned at the intersection of those dividing lines or along with one of the lines itself. Okay, here I have a basic center shot and nothing really to it, just kind of a junky shelf behind me. However, if I was maybe wanting to talk about my motorcycle and if I wanted to do the rule of thirds, if I just line it up here on the intersecting points, here, and here you go. So I'm at the intersecting points, and now it gives a little bit more to the shot. I've got this space. I even have my motorcycle right here that we can see a little bit more of it, as opposed if I was just talking about my motorcycle right here. Simple in the middle shot, over here, rule of thirds.
Let's take a look at some scenes from films in various genres just to see how the rule of thirds is used when there's movement involved. Action. As we enter the scene, the horizon is on the top third as the camera moves around the subject centered in the frame. Then as the subject passes, he's in the left third, back to centered, then back to the top left third as he jumps. Horizon on the top third, head top right, then bottom right to right third. As we continue, the faces are in the thirds, then top left to top right as we punch in closer, and back to faces in the thirds.
Right? Now?
Yes, right.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm... Oh, it's left. Turn left. Sorry, I had the screen lock on.
And you can start to see here how the faces are more in the general area of the thirds. Then focus is moved to the lower thirds before moving back to centered. Adventure. Here we have the subject in the top left, then on the top right, then as he moves back to the top left and bottom right, left third and now top right, then top left moving to bottom right, top left, moving to center, and ending top left. Comedy. As we enter this scene, we can see all the faces being placed on or near the top right and left thirds with relatively static subjects.
You should get out of the way, Granddaddy. You'll get hurt and all.
He ain't joking, you should go.
Then the next few shots are mostly centered.
Excuse me.
And then points of interest are placed back in the third, starting with his face. Back to centered. Then top left to bottom right. Centered again. Then both top thirds.
You know what that means.
top right,
Then let me teach you a lesson.
bottom right, and back to top right.